Hello everybody. Today I got these 6 awesome Hot Wheels cars and I'm going to be showing each one of these 6 cars. First we have HW ride-ons Bazoomka. So the bazooka is cool. It's from the army because I know it has that star there. It's a bit shiny, silver. He has some cool wheels. It looks like a shark. And the back's a bit weird also. So now we have Superchromes Speedbox. So, Superchromes is cool. He is shiny, just like the other one, just much more shiny things. His wheels are also not that shiny, but... And also, he has these red glass, which I've never seen before. Okay, next. So now we have Experimotors Hyper Rocker. So yeah, and this thing has number 3 here. It has some cool windows there. It has some cool wheels like a monster truck. It has some cool bumper lights, I think. And yeah, that's it. So next we have Chackmate Volkswagen Beetle. So he has a giant pawn up there and it says pawn, and another pawn here, it says pawn also. It has some red here, some cool wheels. It's a little shiny here and a little shiny here. So now we have Hot Wheels Space Dune-a-soar. I think that's what it's called. So, dune-a-soar is cool. He has some gold on him, or yellow, and some orange here, some cool wheels, and some boosters here, and some blue glass, and a 03 here. Have, last but not least, HW50 Concept. So, it's my favorite color, blue of course. It has a number 16 here. It has some shiny silver wheels, an engine here, I think that's what it is. Okay, now let's test them. First player. Okay, let's see. Whoa! Too big to fit through. Okay, that's not going to be the winner. It can't even fit through. The winner will go with the farthest here. That's the winner. Second player. Okay, let's get them loaded here. Let's do that. That is so lame. Okay, I also didn't make it through. This is also not going to be our winner. Third third player. Okay. Let's swing. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay, just give me this. Okay, that's where you went. Right now. Okay, there. That's how far you went. Fourth player. Okay, sorry. Okay, that was insane. That was insane, but you're still not gonna win. This one, it can make it through. Player, we have the fifth player here. Loser. Really, I think Chackmate is the one that's gonna win. Really, if this one doesn't make it through, Chackmate wins. Chackmate wins. We have a winner. It was the only one that could actually make it through. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye.